I found your words in a washed out street, ink running wild like your heart at its peak. The paper was soaked, but your voice came through, a whisper in blue. I never stopped you. I read every line till the storm turned still. The page tore in silence, but I read it still. A letter in the rain from you to me, soaked in regret and fragility. The words won't dry, but I won't forget. You wrote me in water, and I'm not done yet. Spoke of the nights we forgot how to speak, of love we misplaced in the lines of the week. You signed it with breath, not a name I recall, and I felt you drift like a tear that won't fall. The ink might dissolve, but the ache remains. Your voice like a shadow etched in the rain. A letter in the rain, falling slow, told me the things you could never show. I hold it like truth, though it's paper thin. You left, but the storm pulls me back in. Was it a goodbye or a late confession? A storm-born truth or a soft regression? I press it to skim, though the lines erase, still chasing the ghost of your final grace. A letter in the rain, blurred and wild, still breaking my heart like a hopeful child. You're gone with the wind, but I stay the same, still reading your love in the falling